Okay, today we have a 2015 Ferrari FF in. It is the Beach World model. They're a little bit muffled from standard because they are GT cars, so they're designed to not be as loud as a supercar. So we're going to give it what it deserves. We're going to remove the back boxes. It has got built-in tips into the bumper, so aesthetically it will look exactly the same, but it will be a lot louder. So to get to it, it arches out, wheels off, under trays off, quite a lengthy process. So we'll start stripping that down and then we'll get to building it and you can hear what it sounds like after. So that's the back box deletes done. As you can see, it makes absolutely no difference visually, but the sound will be a lot better. As you can see from the video, we've done link pipes from either side into a twin tailpipes. So now it's just time to hear it.
That's about 10 times louder at least. That's a game changer, that, isn't it?
I can't believe when you started it before, oh, it's quiet. I was like, now it's
It sounded good, didn't it? Stock with that, like.
Now it's just, wow. I didn't
The camera will never pick it up either.